Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, shaping defenders of tomorrow with Zen ACTS. Armored combat training just got a revolutionary upgrade. Zen Technologies introduces Zen X, the Armor Combat Training System, that is ACTS, designed to propel mechanized force training into the future. Zen X is meticulously crafted to address the rigorous training needs of two tank crews. This cutting-edge system delivers unparalleled realism and precision, simulating fieldcraft battle drills and tactical gunnery procedures within meticulously crafted scenarios. Next, Torpedo cum Missile Barge LSAM-20 launched. The launch of Ammunition cum Torpedo cum Missile Barge, sixth barge of 11 into ACTCM barge project built by MSME Shipyard, Messrs. Surya Deepta Projects Private Limited, Thane for Indian Navy, was undertaken on 29th April 2024 at Messrs. Surya Deepta Project Private Limited, launch site of Messrs. SPPL. The launching ceremony was presided over by Shri Madhusudan Bhui, INAS GM NAD Karanja. The contract of building ACTCM barge was signed between MOD and Messrs. Surya Deepta Projects Private Limited. Next, BEL for defense collaboration with Uzbek market. BEL, that is Bharat Electronics Limited, is leading Indian defense public sector undertaking, has set its sight on a new market in Central Asia. BEL has established partnership with Uzbekistan's key defense procurement agencies, Uz Tech Trade and Defense Industry Agency, to promote its indigenous defense electronics products for Uzbek military. This strategic move signifies BEL's commitment to expanding its market reach beyond India. Next, world's first extreme temperature suit. Veera Dynamics is proud to announce the successful testing and launch of their revolutionary tardigrade line of technical apparel. This marks a significant advancement in protective gear technology, offering exceptional versatility and resilience for various industrial applications. The tardigrade line is the world's first technical apparel made with Veera Dynamics in-house developed soft composite material. This innovative material sets itself apart with its unmatched temperature operating range, functioning effectively in extreme environments. Next, artificial intelligence powered drone for engine inspections. The Indian Air Force is soaring into the future with the development of an artificial intelligence powered drone system for inspecting aircraft engines. This innovative technology promises to revolutionize engine maintenance procedures, making them faster, more efficient, and potentially safer. The new system ditches the traditional time-consuming manual inspections. Instead, it utilizes a mini or micro drone equipped with high-resolution cameras. These cameras capture detailed images of the engine, focusing on critical components like air intake ducts, exhaust nozzles, turbine blades, and more. Next, China bolsters air power in high-altitude regions near India. China has taken steps to address its historical disadvantage in air combat over high altitude terrain. This strategy involves deploying additional fighter jets, bombers, reconnaissance aircraft, and drones. The improvements include upgrades to airfields in Hotan, Kashgar, Gargunsa, Shigaste, Bangda, Nyangchi, and Hoping. These upgrades encompass new and extended runways. Thank you.